Page 1 of the 5.1 through 5.4 review answer key. For Roman numeral 1, it says in the drawing that segment AE is congruent to segment EC. So that means a couple of things. That means point E is exactly in the middle. So that may help us in finding the values for 1 through 4. So number 1 says find the altitude. Well, an altitude goes from a vertex and it's perpendicular to the opposite side. So point B is a vertex, and the line that goes perpendicular to the opposite side would be BD. So that's the answer for number 1. Number 2 is a median. And a median goes from the midpoint of a side to an opposite vertex. Well, I know that point E is in the middle, but that doesn't go to a vertex. So I want to check point G. Point G is in the middle because it shows that the two segments are congruent. So from G to C, that goes to a vertex. So that is called a median. So that would be point GC. Okay, and for number 3, that's an angle bisector. Well, an angle bisector cuts an angle in half. So the only angle that's shown that's cut in half is the angle right here, angle A. So that would be AF. Okay, and the last one is a perpendicular bisector. So a perpendicular bisector has to be perpendicular and it has to bisect a side. So again, I know that point E is the middle because of what it said in the directions. So the only one that's perpendicular would be from E to H. So EH.